Hi, happy Thursday everybody. It's Christine Blackledge here from Metamorphosis Care Business Systems. It's Thursday evening coming towards you, and tomorrow is going to be Friday, the end of the week. Some of you would have worked long hours. You may be tired of working the 9 to 5, or possibly you're doing long shifts, 12-hour days. Some of you will be working this weekend. I know I've certainly done it in the past. Now, isn't it time for you to think about you, your life, what you want for your future, what you want for your family, spending more time with loved ones, the ones you want to be with, socializing with your friends? Give us a call at the office on 01903 898 135, or go to our website, which is www.startinganursingagency.co.uk, or you can visit my site as well, christineblackledge.com. We would like to hear from you. We're actually giving away a free gift tomorrow, which will be the 11th of May 2018. If you're the 20th caller, you will get a free gift. It could be a book, it could be an action plan, it could be a DVD. So give us a call. Take action today. Think about your future. It's going to be a new week next week. Let's make it a new you. Have a good day. Goodbye.